let your hair fall into your eyes, and I tried to look away but I couldn't. And then you said my name for the first time. How suddenly
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya. In this video we are going to create some DIY planters using things which you probably already have at your home. According to me, plants are one of the must-haves if you want your home to look lively and pretty. So let's go ahead and make some planters today. ये जो board है, it's actually a name plate and it has my papa's name written on it on the front, but I have painted it so you won't be able to see it anymore. But this name plate has been lying in our storeroom since forever. It does hold some sentimental value to our family, but it's time to make some use out of it. So I am going to give it a makeover as I do, and I am going to use it to make it a planter. Let's see how we do that. Guys, please excuse my voice. I just woke up. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, I just started with painting the nameplate white. I'm using a cloth to paint it because I've noticed that it spreads better with cloth in the wooden surface. I actually did 3 coats in total to achieve what I desired. And then when it was dried up, I used a sandpaper to distress it. You guys know how very obsessed I am these days with distressed decor. I have been distressing everything that I create. I love it. Then I took this stencil, my beloved stencil, which is my favorite DIY investment. By the way, I was thinking to create what I have in my craft supply video. Do let me know if you guys are interested because I get a lot of questions about where I got something from, and I think it would be nice to have all in one place, if you know what I mean. So coming back to what we are doing here, I am using a dry brush and literally tapping it to create letters, which again does not look perfect, and that is what I love about them. So you can see clearly here how I have not filled the black color completely to achieve that distressed look here as well. Now I took these 3M hooks. I will recommend to have bigger hooks, but I had these, so I am going to paint them white and let it dry. I had these small jam jars which I had soaked in bucket full of water so that the sticker on them can be easily removed. Okay, I am literally peeling the sticker like a vegetable here, but this technique works so much better than using your own nail. Well, 3M hooks comes with its own tape, but I am using a strong glue here to stick them on our board. Then we'll have to take a jute rope to hang these jars. I am again using a strong heat resistant glue to tie the rope around the jar's neck. I will do this with all 3 jars that we have taken. Now I did not want to drill down 2 nails here for this board because I am making this for my mom, so drilling nails over here would be completely useless. So just to show you, I am using a hanger for the support. Here I have just taken the jar and I am kind of trying to adjust the length of the jute rope. I think the mothership will use this to propagate her money plants in this, but for now I have got some flowers to put on these little planters and I love it so much. Part of me wants to keep it to myself, honestly. The next planter is something that you can create so easily and so quickly, and this can be a great gift to give someone. I think instead of exchanging materialistic gifts with each other, we should all start exchanging plants. I think everyone loves plants, and the ones who don't, sorry, we can't be friends, guys. Anyway, sorry for the distraction. Let's come back to what we are doing here. I took a food box, cut it from the top, like you saw, sticking the ice cream sticks on it, pretty self-explanatory. Then I painted it all white, making sure that I cover each and every nook and cranny. So if you guys saw my last video, you saw this. I made it using a glass and I actually made it as a candle stand. Today I made this. I think that this makes a really good combination. You can use it on a table as a planter or you can use it as a candle stand. I think that this looks lovely. If you haven't seen my last video where I made this, please go check it out. I'll link it somewhere here on the screen. Here I am taking a jute rope and just tying it on the top. I suck at making a bow, guys. You can very well see that here. You can use this as a planter or you can use it as a flower vase. Whatever you pick, it will definitely make a great piece of decor. You can also stain it with the wooden brown color. That would look great too, I feel. For the next planter, I took these dates or khajur boxes that I had been saving, and Ashish was literally after me to throw those away, but me being me, I save it all. These are plastic ones. I started with painting all three of them. I'm using turquoise chalk paint mixed with white, which I will definitely link in the description box. It's from Itsy Bitsy. By the way, someone was asking me what to do if I don't have Itsy Bitsy store near me. Well, they have their own website. You can order from there. It might take a little bit of time to get delivered, but be patient. Some of the Itsy Bitsy products are also sold on Amazon, like these chalk paints. I'm creating 4 holes in all the 4 corners in these boxes. You can heat up the knife and create these holes easily, but kindly don't use that knife again for the kitchen work. Once that was done, I used jute rope again and basically tying the boxes together. You will see how I tied them in a minute. So I found out that chalk paint does not do very well on the plastic surface. As you can see, it started chipping off. So learn from my mistakes and use spray paint or acrylic color when you're dealing with plastic surface. So now that it's all done, it was time to plant some beautiful plants in this. This planter can be a really nice add-on to your balcony.
Well, see, I hated you for a long time, but one day you were different.
So if you guys like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please share this video to others and help me grow. It would mean a lot. And I'll see you next week with some other DIYs. Bye.